6 hours. Even
No changes.
right? Let's change availability. Availability to 400. I don't want it to be exact multiples. 400 milligram per 5 milligrams.
What about the weight?
Let's see the weight. What we used last time? The one with the, that was not 20. 44. Okay, let's put it back to 44.
I said the milk.
Which milk? 5 mils. This one? Read this now.
But-
If you take from 5, it will be 10 mils.
Five, other 5 minutes too. 5 again.
Okay. It will not really matter. So let's put this on to the
10.
You know what?
8 milk.
Let's change that one to 4.
8 mils. Less than 5 mils. Yeah? Less than 5 is we're okay. 5 mils. So what does that? We cannot change this one. So actually and sincerely, this one now is not necessary. This part of the information because it does not apply to what we're going to do now. Now this is the question. This is what we want to work out now. And I'm just saying it once. We're going to be fast about it. We're just going to be fast. And then for if you see have issues, try to get the ones and call. So we have what our solution. The first thing is that what we get. Let's convert the weight. Abi? Let's convert weight to kilograms, right? So that was 2.2 pounds equals to what? 1 kg. 44 pounds will be equals to what? A. So if we cross multiply here, what do we have? A equals to what? 44 pounds times 1 kg over what? 2.2 pounds. Pounds becomes 2 pounds. Okay, if we divide this, what do we have?
We have 20.
A equals to what? 20 kg. So the charge weight is 20 kilograms. Agbola, are you still here? Or you are far away? Now, we look at the adult dosage range, which is what? 20 to 40 milligram. So, ADR is what? 20 to 40 milligram per kg per day. So, for the lower limit now of this drug, what we have? 20 milligram for 1 kg for 1 day. So a child that is what? 20 kg in the same 1 day. Let's calculate what we will have. So we have what? B, we can multiply here, right?
Yes, sir.
B equals to 20 kg times what? 20 milligram over what? 1 kg. What do we have? Take the count kg. We have what? 400 milligram per day. For the 40 milligram equals to what? 1 kg per day. The same thing here. 20 kg here. We have C here. We cross multiply. Our C be what? 20 kg times 40 milligram over 1 kg. kg. We have what? 800 milligram per day. But what we have here, we are asked to give what? 8 meals every 6 hours. So using the availability, what's the availability now? 400 milligram in 5 meals. Right?
Yes, sir.
So now to get our ACP's order, we have a 400 milligram equals to what? 5 meals. but we have to give 8 meals. So our 8 meals be equals to what? Is it D now? We have D. We cross multiply again. So our D will now be what? D will be what? 8 meals times 400 milligram over what? Over 5 meals. Meals will cancel meals. 5 here 1, 5 here what? 8. So that is what? 640 milligram. Is it QDS now? Yes. Every 6 hours. 640 milligram QDS. Is that clear? Yes. Sorry. So our health care providers order is what? 640 milligram every 6 hours. That's now what? 4 times daily. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
QDS 6 hours, 4 times daily. So it means that in a day, if I just want to calculate for a day, I'll just do what? 640 milligram times 4. You get it? So if I do my 640 milligram times 4, I'll get what? Is 0, 4 times 4, 16, 1, 24, 2560 milligram per day. Just looking at this from here, this dose is higher than this. So this dose can never be correct. If I don't, we can consider the breakdown. Do you get it now? Because I have to do it QGS. So, but looking at it from what we did for a whole day, that is for this job, I'm going to give this. Which is already higher than what? The highest dose here. Which is what? 800. Let's go one further and get these ones. So, for lower limits now, lower limits is what? 400 milligram per day. Right? We want to put this to what? QGS for 4 times a day. Is that not so? That would be 400 milligram over 4. We have what? 100 milligram QDS. For the upper limit, this was 800 milligram per day. We go take it to what? QDS. 800 milligram over 4. This was 200 milligram QDS. So normally, as per manufacturer's instruction, the lowest dose we should give should be 100. The highest we should give to 200 milligram for this particular body weight. And the healthcare and others should be what? 640. This is more than. This is too high. That's one way to prove. So we can stop this here, or you can see go on for that side. Okay, let us get these ones in meals. Since we know that this one in meals is what? 8 meals, right? So what do we do? From availability again, which is what? 400 milligrams, right?
Yes, sir.
Availability is 400 milligrams equal per 5 meals, right? So for lower limits, what do we have? 400 milligrams equals to 5 meals. Do you understand? Then 100, because we are calculating for a skill TX. If I have to calculate for a whole day, I got my 400, which will also be what? That. So my 100 milligram QDS. Do you understand it? Yes. So will be equal to what? What is it? D is stopped? E. Right? So my E will be 100 milligram QDS times 5 mils over what? 400 milligram. Milligram comes to milligram. 100 there, remaining 4. So we have 5 over 4. So 1 point what? 1.25 what? Mils. Now what you will give? ds. Do you understand this? If you don't put that, you can. So that means for my higher limit, we'll have what? The standard is what? 400 milligram in 5 mils. So our 200 milligram QDS will be F. So F will be 200 milligram QDS times 5 mils over what? Over 400 milligram. Milligram cancel milligram, we have 2. So 5 over 2 will give us what? 2.5 mils QDS. So looking at what, if we go by this, the lowest limit will not be 1.25, the highest will not be 2.5. So telling us to give 8 mils is even beyond this range. So what the healthcare providers order, what they ask us to give is actually incorrect because the dose is too high. So if the dose is too high or too low, that will be incorrect. I hope this is clear. So cut it now for this one.